Let's count the top 5 ways that Microsoft integrates into Zoom or Zoom integrates into Microsoft. By the way, I got some new glasses. They're Ray-Bans. That has nothing to do with what we're going to talk about today, but I just thought I'd let you know. Number 1 is email. Look at the top left-hand corner of my screen. You can see that Microsoft email for Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Outlook is integrated right into the Zoom client. Just go to Mail, integrate your client, and you're done. You can read, reply, use AI Companion with Microsoft email. The next is calendar. You can integrate your Microsoft Exchange calendar fully inside of the Zoom client. And check this out. I have Zoom meetings right here. I can literally join the Zoom meeting right here, hit start, but I can also join Microsoft Teams meeting. Here, there's a Copilot test meeting at 7 o'clock. I can join that meeting right from Zoom, even though it's a Microsoft Teams meeting. Zoom can also integrate AI Companion with your Microsoft Teams meeting. Check this out. I have a 4 to 5 o'clock Microsoft Teams meeting and I need to prepare for it using AI Companion. I click AI Companion, I hit prepare for the meeting, and then look at the right side. Look at that. AI Companion has prepared me for a Microsoft Teams meeting. I have new updates. I have a purpose of the meeting. I have tasks associated with that prior Microsoft Teams meeting using AI Companion in Zoom. That's pretty cool. What if you need meeting notes and meeting summaries from your Microsoft Teams meeting? Guess what? Zoom's AI Companion can do that too. Look at the left side where it says AI Companion. I want to invite AI Companion to a Microsoft Teams meeting. Then Zoom AI Companion will join your Microsoft Teams meeting on your behalf and take notes and provide you with a meeting summary afterwards. Hey, and check this out. I can connect OneDrive from Microsoft directly to AI Companion. So we'll go here, we'll click, and there's OneDrive connected. So now let's choose a file inside of OneDrive and let's see what AI Companion can do with it. So here's a Word document I wrote actually on elephants. So let's click on it, hit select, and let's have AI Companion summarize this entire Microsoft Word document. So right here, AI Companion has summarized this 20-page Word document on elephants with just the connection that I just showed you with OneDrive. I asked AI Companion to actually summarize this document, but you can see you can prompt AI Companion to do a lot more with that document, as well as any Microsoft 365 document. So what about Team Chat? Zoom has Team Chat just like Microsoft Teams, just like Slack. We can now integrate Microsoft 365 documents directly into Zoom Team Chat. So check it out. On my OneDrive down here, I click on it. I can now create Word, PowerPoint, and Excel documents right from the Zoom client. What if I want to share documents right from my SharePoint site? I can do that too, right from Zoom Team Chat. So just click on a file, upload it, and you can see there's Microsoft OneDrive and Microsoft SharePoint. And if I click on SharePoint, all of the files that are in my SharePoint tenant are available right here inside of Zoom. So let's just click headshot. It's a PNG file, select it, and now I can apply permissions right from the Zoom client directly into my SharePoint tenant. So in this example, I have channel members be editors. Hit send. And now everyone in the channel has editing access to this PNG file I just uploaded right from the Zoom client, even though the file's in SharePoint. So what about Zoom meetings? Let's look what Microsoft can do inside there. If I go to share, I go to documents, you'll be able to see that OneDrive and SharePoint are again integrated directly into Zoom meetings. So let's click on OneDrive. Now OneDrive opens right inside the Zoom meeting, and I can pick any document inside of OneDrive to share inside of my Zoom meeting. So again, let's just pick that elephants document. Now here's the super cool thing. I can certainly share my screen or share this file with everyone in the meeting, but I want to uplift it and elevate that experience. I'm going to share in collaboration mode, which gives everyone in the meeting access to that elephant document so we can co-author and brainstorm on this exact document. I hit collaborate mode, and watch what happens. And now everyone in the Zoom meeting has complete access to edit this exact file that I just shared right from OneDrive inside of my Zoom client. And what if we want to create a brand new Office 365 document inside of the Zoom meeting? We can do the same thing. Watch this. Hit share, hit OneDrive, and look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once we've opened up OneDrive inside of Zoom, we can easily create Microsoft 365 documents right from here. Super cool. Now, is anybody keeping track of how many integrations we've shown so far? I have no idea, but I'm going to keep going. And if you're a Mac user, this should look familiar to you. This is Outlook. This is probably how you start your day. How do we integrate Zoom inside of Outlook? Up here, let's create a brand new event. And look at that. There's a Zoom add-in right here. So let's click on it. So let's pick our time. Let's say Friday at 8 a.m. So let's create a Zoom meeting inside of this invite. Hit Zoom, hit add a Zoom meeting. Now, all of my information from the Zoom meeting is inside that Microsoft Outlook invite. Maybe I need to invite a conferencing room to this meeting because I have multiple people attending from the office. We can do that from Zoom as well inside of Outlook. Click Zoom, reserve a workspace, So now look at all the available Zoom rooms that are associated with this time for this meeting. I could pick the boardroom, I could pick an executive room, I could pick even a Google Beam room, and all the pictures associated with that conferencing room appear in workspace reservations inside of Outlook. We can also do meeting assets. Watch this. Inside of this Google Beam room, guess what? There's a Google Beam. What about that executive boardroom? There's actually a companion camera and a neat digital whiteboard. Again, all this integration's happening inside of Zoom, inside of Microsoft. And I haven't even tapped the potential of what Microsoft and Zoom can actually do together. This is just a quick overview of the top things that came to my mind. I'm sure I'm forgetting 1,000 different things. So if you like videos like that, please follow me on LinkedIn or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.